Hey guys, Joe Pye here at Advanced Innovations. This is going to be a quick one. You know, as a business owner, I haul a lot of material in my truck, and I have been looking for a tie-down knot that not only cinches up the material that I handle, but keeps it from rolling back and forth and pulls it down all at the same time. And I think I've hit on one, and I had to share it with you guys. I haven't seen this anywhere. If this is a knot, if we got any Boy Scouts or Eagle Scouts out there that are going to jump all over this and say, oh no, it exists already, let me know, because I'm pretty proud of myself. This one works well. Let's take a walk out to my truck. I will show you how to tie that thing, and I guarantee that if you try it, you're going to like it. Let's take a walk. Okay, this is the world's best tie-down loop. Don't know what it's called, but I'm calling it my own. Take your tie down and pass it underneath the bars that you want to secure, and come back over the top. Stay on this side of the strap as it passes under the parts. Loop it once around the bottom of the strap and come back over the top. See? I've got it. I'll take this loop and put it over the top of the bars, and the loose end comes under and goes through the hole. Now when you cinch down on this, it's not only going to pull them together, but it's also going to pull down, and it's going to stay centered. It's not going to go back and forth. Anything that just goes over the top still has slide potential, still has separation potential. If you loop it, you can still walk. That last knot that I just showed you, and I'm going to show you again real quick, you can start off over the top or under the bottom, it doesn't matter. Under the bottom, stay to this side of the strap as you go underneath. Take one loop over to the other side, and the loose end goes under. It's not going to roll, it's not going to come apart. It works exceptionally well. Try it. As a close-up, the band passes under the payload, comes out this side, it's back around, underneath itself, forms a loop. This side comes back through and out. It's not that hard to tie, but it is kind of hard to remember at first, so give it a shot. You're gonna like it. And coming up very shortly, we are going to venture into turntable setup. And I'm not just going to talk about how to get this hole true to the spindle, but we're going to show you all kinds of other neat little tricks to make your life easy. Want to see it? Give me a comment, let me know.